Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your insurance needs with Geico, complete guide step by step clearly. To scale your insurance needs with Geico, start by assessing your current coverage. Evaluate your existing policies to understand what you currently have. Identify any gaps or areas where additional coverage may be needed. Next, visit the Geico website to explore their various insurance products. Familiarize yourself with the types of coverage they offer, such as auto, home, renters, and more. Use their online tools to get custom quotes tailored to your specific needs. Consider using the Geico mobile app for convenient management of your policies. Enter your information accurately to ensure you receive the best possible rates. After receiving quotes, compare your options to determine which coverage fits your budget and needs. Review policy features, limits, and deductibles carefully before making a decision. Next, if you require additional coverage, consider bundling your policies for potential savings. Contact Geico's customer service for further assistance or clarification on any policies. Discuss your specific requirements with an agent to receive personalized advice. Once you decide on a policy, ensure to finalize your purchase through their website or mobile app. After securing your new coverage, regularly review your policies to ensure they remain relevant. Keep track of any major life changes, such as a new job or vehicle purchase, that may require adjustments to your policies. By continually assessing and adjusting your coverage, you can effectively scale your insurance needs with Geico. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.